Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lola. So today we're gonna do a project that is not involving any paint or furniture or sandpaper. It's gonna be a simple DIY. So my plan is to make a wall gallery in my basement. It's gonna be like my art studio. So I've been collecting this frames from a thrift store. So it comes just like this without the glass, but it's 25 cents. So I've been collecting this, and I'm gonna put it with a fabric. So I'm gonna make a wall art with a fabric. I'm choosing batik because you know guys, I'm from Indonesia. I moved to Canada around 4 years ago, and homesick is kind of like my daily meal. So it's really nice to see my color. I mean, like, I'm home away from home. I miss my family, and it's nice to see something from your country. So if you're like me, it's something you can do. I'm only using a scrap fabric left over from whatever project I did. You can use like a old tablecloth or something to remind you of home, which I did. I did a project a year ago from my mom old tablecloth. It might be from the 70s, older than me. So yeah, let's do something today, guys. So all you need is simple, like clothespin, glue gun, and scissor. First, we need to measure the backing. Hi guys, I want to talk more about batik. Batik is one of the most highly developed art forms of Indonesia's rich cultural heritage. In 2009, UNESCO recognized Indonesian batik as a masterpiece of oral and intangible heritage of humanity. Batik is commonly used by Indonesians in various rituals, traditions, and celebrations. In addition, the motifs carry various symbolic meanings that are tied to the Indonesian's heritage. Okay guys, back to our project. So here I am just trying to measure to see which pattern I want to show in the frame. So I'm still pulling here and there, left and right, just to make sure that I get which pattern, like the piece that I really want to be in the frame. So I'm just taking my time here because once I make the cut, there's no way back. So take your time and make sure you measure, and measure before you make the cut. So here I am putting a clothespin on the fabric just to make sure the fabric won't move, and when I flip it, it's still the way I want it to show. Okay, here come to the next step, which is just to glue the fabric to the backing. Just use your glue gun all around it and make sure you pull, stretch the fabric so it won't leave like a crease in front, so you will have a tight, nice fabric in front. So we're done with the hard part already. So all I do right now is just to iron it so I can remove all the creases from the fabric, and after that it will be stretched by itself. Voila! Now it's time to put it in the frame, and this is my first. I'm gonna make 2 more and it's the same process. So here I am just gluing around the rim between the fabric and the frame so it won't move and it's gonna be safe to hang after that. What do you think, guys? It's not expensive and it can fill the blank on your wall. I like it. How about you? Okay guys, this is my second one today. Different pattern. It's still batik, just different color and different pattern, like I said. So it's the same process like the first one. Measure and then cut and then glue it. That's it. So guys, this is my second one. I'm gonna make the third one with the same fabric with the first one, the pink. I cut it in two. So this is also batik. For someone that was born and raised in Indonesia, looking at this give me warm peace, and it's like I'm not that far from home. How about you? What do you like to see? Tell me in the comment. Okay guys, this is from my past projects. I made this last year from my mom's old tablecloth. I actually don't know how it ended up here with me in Canada, but it's a nice surprise, and I love to see it on the wall right now. It just reminds me of my childhood, gathering around the table, and it's actually older than me. It was from the 70s. Okay, now from our project today, this is how it looks on my art studio. I only put two, the other pink I put in our living room, and looks good for the wall gallery, right? It fills the space instantly. So what do you think guys? This is cost efficient, it's nice. Well, you can always do with the wall gallery with painting or photos, but I think by seeing this, it just reminds me of home and togetherness with family when I was kid. So you can do it also if you travel somewhere, you buy cloth or something that makes you remember those happy moments, anything. So it's very easy and it's nice, and that's it for today. See you in my next project. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Dadah!